Hey, welcome back. I am Rajesh and today I am going to tell you what is rock and its properties and a specific yield, a specific retention and porosity. So let's start. What is rock and what are the properties of rock? So let me define you first. What is rock? So rock is any naturally occurring solid mass or aggregate of minerals. Rock is any naturally occurring solid mass, or you can say aggregate of minerals. Rocks are usually grouped into three main groups. These are igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. So rocks are usually grouped into three main groups. These are igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and third one is sedimentary rocks. So these mainly three rocks are available: igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. So moving on the next, that is properties of rock. Properties of rocks. So now I am going to define the properties of the rocks. So there are four properties of the rocks: Aquifer, Aquitard, Aquiclude and Aquifuge. So let me define you one by one. So first one is Aquifer. In this, it takes the water. What it takes the water means allow the storage and transmit the water. So aquifer is nothing but it takes water, means allow for storage and transmit means transfer, you can say transfer the water. It is highly permeable and porous in nature. It is highly permeable and porous in nature. It is permeable formation, you can say. It is permeable formation. Permeable means previous, means having some holes that water can enter. Permeable formation. For example, for example are nothing but sand, you can say sand, gravel. Porous means you can say small holes. So moving on the second, that is Aquiclude. So in this it takes water and doesn't transmit the water. Aquiclude is, it takes water, means it allows the forest storage and does not transmit the water. It is highly porous and low permeable in nature. In this it is highly permeable and porous in nature, highly permeable, but in this low permeable. It is low permeable and highly porous in nature. It is impermeable formation. It means it takes the water and doesn't transmit the water, means you can say, you can take it example clay and shale. So clay takes the water and it doesn't transmit the full water, it will store some water. So that is the best example, clay. And shale means the type of the schist, you can say. Moving on the third one, Aquifuge. So let me tell you first aquifer. Aquifer is three types: confined aquifer, unconfined aquifer and perch aquifer. Now moving on the Aquifuge. Aquifuge means it neither takes the water nor transmit the water. It neither takes water nor transmit the water. It is neither permeable nor porous in nature. It is neither permeable nor porous in nature. It is impermeable formation. It is impermeable formation. In this you can take example basalt, granite. So these are the rocks. Now moving on the next and fourth one, Aquitard. So in this Aquitard is partially takes water and transmit the water. It partially takes water. Partially means very slow, you can say. Partially takes water and transmit the water. So Aquitards are semi-permeable in nature. You can say Aquitards are semi-permeable in nature. It is geological formation, you can say. You can take it example formation of sandy clay. You can take the example formation of sandy clay. Specific yield. Moving on the next, that is specific yield. Specific yield. So specific yield is defined as the water drained from the one pore to another. You can say the ratio of volume, the ratio of the water drained by the gravity by total volume. The ratio of volume of water drained by gravity. So it means it is denoted by SY, volume of water drained by gravity divided by total volume. Divided by total volume. So a specific yield formula is Wy by V. Now moving on the next, that is a specific retention. A specific retention. It is denoted by SR. Specific retention is nothing but it is the ratio of volume of the water retained by total volume. So the ratio of volume of water retained by total volume. A specific retention is denoted by SR. So its formula is WR by V. You can take as the same specific retention. SR is equal to volume of the water drained by total volume. So let me write you first. Volume of water retained divided by total volume. Now moving on the next and last, that is porosity, denoted by N. So porosity is nothing but a ratio of the volume of the voids divided by total volume. So it is the ratio of volume of voids by total volume. So porosity is denoted by V, small v divided by V. This is the formula of the porosity. You can say porosity, you can define porosity as combination of the specific retention and a specific yield. Therefore porosity N is equal to SY plus SR, specific yield plus specific retention. So this is all about the specific yield, specific retention and rock and its properties of rocks. So I hope you understand, and if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can ask.